Last 5 seconds. Ready? Start. The challenge in the present appeal is to an order dated 6 August 2021 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Bombay bench at Aurangabad, holding that the reservation of land in the development plan stands lapse as no declaration under section 126 of the Maharashtra Regional and Town Planning Act 1966, for short the act, was published. However, the planning authority was given 1 year time to acquire the land once a final development plan was published under section 31(6) of the act on 2nd January 2002, which came into force on 18 February 2002 in respect of land, including the land owned by the appellants, such as labor reservation site bearing number 217 for playground. The appellants purchased the land bearing plot numbers 1, 2, 9 and 10 at measuring 1394.05 square meters out of survey number 73 at measuring 6500 square meters on 21st November 2002. Though the development plan was finalized, but the same was never implemented, nor any action was taken for acquisition of the land under the Land Acquisition Act 1894. After expiry of 10 years, the appellants issued notice on 16 August 2016 under section 127 of the Act so as to purchase the reserved land within 1 year of the date of the notice. Such notice was acknowledged by the respondent municipal corporation on 22nd August 2016 to submit measuring plan showing reservation thereon, including the area owned by the appellants. It was thereafter that the appellants filed a writ petition before the High Court for a writ of mandamus directing the respondents to treat the land of the appellants bearing survey number 73 as released from the development plan of Latur Municipal Corporation, and that reservation of site number 217 for playground be declared to have lapsed to the extent of the land owned by the appellants, and that the land is available for the residential use of the appellants. In the counter affidavit filed by the municipal corporation, it was inter alia submitted that the proposal was submitted to respondent number 2, that is the collector Latur, to take effective steps for acquiring the land bearing survey number 73 as the land was reserved for playground. The proposal was returned by the competent authority, but no effective decision has been taken over the said proposal. Thus, it was beyond dispute that the land once included in the development plan under section 31(6) of the Act was not acquired within the period of 10 years and within additional period of 1 year after purchase notice was submitted by the appellants on 16 August 2016, and in fact not till the writ petition was decided by the High Court. The municipal corporation is not aggrieved against the declaration granted by the High Court of the fact that the reservation of the land stands lapsed. It is only the land owner who has come in appeal before this court against the restriction of 1 year put by the High Court, giving additional time to respondents to acquire the land. This court in Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai was examining the reservation of land for a garden in a development plan in the year 1966, but the same was not acquired even after purchase notice was served by the land owner. Stop.